versus Samsung Pay. Apple Pay and Samsung Pay are both mobile payment systems that allow users to make secure transactions using their smartphones, smartwatches, and other compatible devices. Some differences between them. Device compatibility. Apple Pay uses iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Macs. Samsung Pay uses Samsung Galaxy phones and watches. Payment method. Apple Pay uses NFC only, but Samsung Pay uses NFC and, on older models, MST. Availability. Apple Pay is available in more countries, while Samsung Pay, on the other hand, is available in fewer countries. Security. Apple Pay uses Face ID, Touch ID, and tokenization, while Samsung Pay uses fingerprint, iris scanning, and tokenization. Online payments. Apple Pay works with Safari and apps, whereas Samsung Pay has more limited online integration. Thank you for watching this video.